Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a donut chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see I have created this nice donut chart, which is basically a pie chart, but the center of the chart is empty, and it is really useful to show share of a total values of something. So in this example we have projects with budgets, and we can see what are the projects with the biggest budgets and what are the share of those project. So as you can see, the mobile app launch project has a budget of 15,000 USD and the share is 14%. So I can make a nice donut chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So let me delete the one I have already created. And then basically all you have to do is first create the data set you want to use for your donut chart. And as I mentioned, it's really useful to show what is the share of specific things in a total value. So once you have created a data set, just select the data set, then click on insert here and select chart from that list. And as you can see, by default, Google Sheets detected that a pie chart is the best option. But if you want to change this to a donut chart, what we have to do is go to this chart type section, click on pie chart, and instead of pie chart we have to select donut chart here. And as you can see, a nice donut chart has been created. We can change the values here, we can customize the donut chart in a lot of ways, so there's a ton of customization options, but all in all this is how you can create a donut chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.